it that won the US Open? This refers to a person. The 8.30 is the train that you need to get. This refers to thing. She blamed herself for everything that had happened. My father, that is a schoolmaster, is 50 years old. This is incorrect. My father, who is schoolmaster, is 50 years old. This is correct. But if I have more than one sister, I can say my sister that has been adopted by my uncle is ill. Here that is correct. इन फॉलोइंग केसेस में दैट को who और which की जगह प्रेफर किया जाता है. जब सेंटेंस में सुपरलेटिव डिग्री में एडजेक्टिव हो, he is the most cogent speaker that I have ever heard. The wisest man that ever lived also made mistakes. In this situation, this is the best that we can do. जब सेंटेंस में वर्ड्स जैसे all, same, any, none, nothing, the, only, as ho, all that glitters is not gold. She is the same woman that she has been. It is only dogs that are loyal. There is nothing that excites me now. It was not for nothing that he called. जब सेंटेंस में interrogative pronoun who, what, as ho, what is it that concerns you so much? Who are you that I should be worried about? Who am I that I should object? What is there that I do not worry? जब सेंटेंस में एक एनिमल एवं एक पर्सन की बात हो तो रिलेटिव क्लॉज में दैट ही आता है. द मैन एंड हिज कैट दैट क्रिएटेड न्यूसेंस yesterday in the premises have been set free again. Note, unlike which, whom and whose, we can't use that with the preposition immediately before it. We have got some tennis balls that you can play. This is correct. We have got some tennis balls with that you can play. This is incorrect. Use of whom. फॉर्मल स्टाइल में whom को ऑब्जेक्ट के केस में यूज किया जाता है. जब whom को प्रीपोजिशन के पहले लगाया जाता है तो वो स्ट्रिक्टली फॉर्मल एंड राइटिंग स्टाइल होता है जो स्पीकिंग में यूज नहीं किया जाता. Whom did you give the book to? This is formal. To whom did you give the book? This is very formal. Who did you give the book to? This is less formal. Use of what and which. What का यूज किया जाता है जब एक रेंज ऑफ पॉसिबल आंसर्स में से एक स्पेसिफिक इंफॉर्मेशन की रिक्वायरमेंट हो. What's the tallest building in the world? What did you say? I couldn't hear you. What's your address? Which को यूज किया जाता है जब एक लिमिटेड सेट ऑफ पॉसिबल आंसर्स में से किसी स्पेसिफिक इंफॉर्मेशन की रिक्वायरमेंट हो. Looking at a list of addresses. A. Which is your address? B. This one here. Which hand do you write with? Looking at a photographer of 3 women. Which one is your sister? Which airport do we leave from? Domestic or international? In the following sentences, interrogative pronouns का use indirect questions पूछने के लिए हुआ है. I asked who was speaking. I do not know who there is. Tell me what you have done. Ask what he wants. Say which you would like best. Who का यूज सिर्फ पर्सन के लिए होता है. Who speak. In this sentence, we expect the answer to be the name of a person. Who goes there? Who made the top score? Who is knocking at the door? Which का यूज दोनों पर्सन एंड थिंग के केस में क्वेश्चंस पूछने के लिए होता है या उन क्वेश्चंस को पूछने के लिए होता है जिनके पॉसिबल आंसर्स की रेंज लिमिटेड होती है. Which is your friend? Which of the boys saw him? Which are your books? Which of these books is yours? Which of the pictures do you like the best? What का यूज सिर्फ थिंग्स के केस में होता है. What have you found? In these sentences, we expect the answer to be the name of the thing. What do you want? What did you say? What was it all about? What is sweeter than honey? What are those marks on your coat? दिए हुए expressions जैसे what are you, what is he, what is this man में what किसी person को refer नहीं कर रहा है बल्कि उनके profession को refer कर रहा है. Today it is more usual to say what do you do etc. What are you? I am a doctor. What is he? He is an engineer. But who is he? In this sentence, what is his name and family? He is Mr. Sunil Khatri. इन दिए हुए sentences में interrogative adjectives की तरह use हो रहे हैं. Which book are you reading? Which way shall we go? What books have you read? What pranks are you playing?